Okay, so I'm going to install Arch Linux, the elitist distro for those people, the crazies. No, I'm just joking. Arch, I have no idea about Arch. I'm a lazy, spoiled Windows user, so I jumped on Mint, Linux Mint. But I wanted to check out Arch. I think everybody should at least once one uh, install Arch Linux at least once to check it out, because Arch Linux is unique. You can actually build it from the ground up, so it's pretty much the base, and you can add whatever you want to add. So it's definitely not bloated with any unnecessary software, right? And so I'm gonna install it, but I'm gonna put a link in the description of the guide. That's actually way more entertaining than I
Hey everybody, me Mudahar here.
installing Arch Linux. It's Muraha. I like him. He's pretty cool. So you can watch his video, and he's pretty good at Linux. So yeah. But yeah, for a quick install, boot it up and choose the first one. Now you can install Arch the actual way, which is super long, quite involved. So I'll put the guide of Arch, of the wiki guide, in the description if you want to do it that way. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. There's no ways I'll do that. No ways. So the easy ways, according to Mura, is just type in arch install. Install. Yeah, that is. So this is a script, and it gives you easier installation at the beginning. We just have to choose stuff from a menu. Otherwise, you have to type in everything, which is fine if you want to do that and build a very unique Arch Linux distro. So yeah, this is the script running. So now you can just choose whatever you, all the settings. So that's your location. You can just press enter, and you can choose your keyboard layout and all of that. And then just go there, press escape to go back. And there is a back button there. Okay. So I'll just leave everything on US. So mirror. So you want to choose the region closest to you. So can I press S? No, it doesn't jump to it. Let's see. So South Africa, spacebar. Can I press enter? Right, so there's all the mirrors, which is good. Yeah, okay. After choosing the mirror, so I haven't installed this. This is the first time. I just checked this video, and now I'm installing it. So this configuration, yeah, it's mirror. So this configuration, partitioning, use a best effort default partition layout, except if you want to manually create some partitions and so on. There's no ways I'll do that. Not now. Right, that is my virtual disk. I select it with spacebar. Right, enter. So according to him, BTRFS is the best option here for backups and so on. But you can use the normal file system of Linux ext4. So I'm just going to use that one. And subvolumes for default structure. I forgot now. Yes. Would you like to use compression? Yeah, use compression. Did I screw up now? Oh, no, that's just the output. So we can go back. user based effort, so that's done. Disk encryption. If you have a laptop, yeah, disk encryption is good. Swap on ZRAM enabled. So just make sure that is enabled. So it is. Bootloader is corrupt. And I don't know what Lemine is. So yeah, just leave it on that. Host name. Yeah, Arch Linux is good, but you can change it if you want to. Root password. Choose a password. Enter. Again. Boom. So root password, and then you want to create a user account. Already you can see you create your very custom type of environment for your install. So add a user. Let's call it okay. Password. Right. If you like be a super user, you definitely want to be sudo. So you can add more users, confirm and exit. Boom. So you just have to read through the menus. Profile. What's profile? Should I go in there? Okay. Now skip profile. Audio according to Muraha, it's pipe wire. Kernels. You can go to default, or you can go. I think I take LTS is light. Not too sure what hardened is. Not too sure what Zen is. So I'm just gonna go with the default for now. Network configuration. So you want to use network manager, because in Linux it's network manager. Did I choose? Yeah. Additional packages. Let's just check. Oh, you can type them in and install it while you're installing Linux. That's cool. Optional repositories. Choose multi-lib. Which I can't remember what that is for, but anyway. Time zone. Choose your time zone. Oh god, is this now scrolling? I don't even know where the hell I am. Oh god, I'm in America again. I should stay in Africa. Oh, there it is. Joburg. Time sync NTPS enabled. That's good. Save configuration. Let's save it. Save using configuration including disk layout. Save user credentials. Save all. Directory. I don't think this is really necessary. Fuck it. Let's go install. So the special configuration will be applied. Would you like to continue? Yes. And it's counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. There it goes. The installation is on. So it's pretty quick, you know, compared to the guide, which will take forever. So yeah, let's wait for it to finish and see what it's up. Okay, so newly created installation form post installation configurations. Yes, please. Or is that not? You have to reboot. Let's reboot. See what happens. Boot existing OS. Yeah. Got to take my CD-ROM drive out. Good. Right. Let's log in. Looks very nice. Plasma. So this is the KDE Plasma version. You can even choose a Linux Mint Cinnamon edition, which is pretty cool. I'll probably use that. Make Arch Maya daily. And there it is. There's Arch. Very easy installation. So let's see what this is about. You can just desktop, whatever that is, software. So you can install stuff from there. Okay. Because I think there's nothing on here. Next and finished. Wow, it's even got like a start menu, but this is the KDE Plasma, that's why. This looks good. Choose dark mode. Apply. Where's terminal? How does this all work? Is it terminal? Is it a console? Oh my goodness. Console. Right, sudo app. Oh god, it's probably not app. I have no idea how to update it, but anyway, you get the idea. So yeah, good.